guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I am going to set the typing status so that I'll be notified when the other user is typing. If you can remember, in the other video what I did was to set up the function that actually add the typing status to our database, which is this add status and then remove status. So in this video I am going to, though we tested this with our database and it worked perfectly, but in this video what I'm going to do now is to make it display on the device itself. So in our chat activity, this is where we added the typing status, and then we remove it when the user stop or has finished typing. So I'm going to add another function here, and this function will be called what should I call it? Okay, let's say set the typing status, and this typing status is going to take in okay, first let me call that function. I'm going to call the function here inside of the get intent and init. So I'm going to call the set typing status, and this set typing status will take in the other user ID as an argument, and I am just going to add that here by clicking Alt Enter and then add the argument to the function. Now after that has been added, what I'm going to do now is to go over here to where I set the user details, because it's going to be almost the same thing that we did here. So I'm going to copy. Remember, this is I won't copy the entire function. I just copy the body of it. So I'll copy from here to here. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I will paste this. Remember, we have some closing curly braces that we need to close. So this is one here, which is already here. Now the curly braces we need to close is 1 and 2. So we need 2 curly braces. So 1 and 2. So this should do it. Yeah. Okay, so now that is done, I'm going to change this. Our typing field in the database was called typing, so I'm going to copy that to here and I'll say typing. Now if the status, which is I'll change this name to typing. So if the copy that and paste. So if the typing is equals to true, then we need to set the text field to typing with this. Then we need to also set the typeface of the edit text to italic. And this is all we need to do. Then else, if it's not typing, okay, we don't need an else statement here. So just the if is fine. So if it's typing, it will set the thing to typing and then set the typeface. And you can remember, this is the edit text for our time ago, and you can just set the text view there. So what I'm going to do now is to test this. And so I have my 2 devices on screen and the 2 users are currently logged in. So I'm going to open the chat between Donald Ressler and Harold Cooper. Now just watch out for the edit text there. Once I start typing, you see it changes to typing, and once I send this, notice that it will revert back to saying online because I'm no longer typing, so it reverts back to online. And I'm going to do the same thing in the other device. Just watch out for the edit text. Now it changes to online. Once I sent it, it reverts back, and if I should type again and send, just watch, and it's still saying typing because I'm still currently typing, not done yet. So once I send it now, it will see it reverts back to online because I'm no longer typing. And so as you can see, it is working perfectly. And also if I go offline in the other device, it says 1 minute ago, and if I open the application again, it will say online again. So as you can see, the app is working, guys. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.